says he never flipped, and doing time made him a better man, but has no regrets about what landed him in prison in the first place.
How me tell them about them ya, them ya and them ya and them ya.
Flippa Mafia, or Modeler as he calls himself now.
A real modeler.
A free man since October 2022.
Right.
Still sporting bling, but sort of scaled down. Not this champagne swilling, cash flinging flipper of old, merrily flossing his way through parties until reality caught up with him. Doing time for drug trafficking and money laundering, but freed early on parole after serving 9 years and 10 months of a much longer prison sentence, leading some to speculate that Flippa had flipped.
People been as a flipper informer, no evidence, no proof. You understand me? But as I'm saying, ever since Flippa get locked up, who they can say that Flippa sent to jail? You know how we Jamaicans stay. Community is small, but we're big and in abundant. So somebody gonna come forward and say, yo, Flippa tell for me, or Flippa take the stand for me, or Flippa do this with me. Nobody can come forward. And as I told them before, and I'm telling you, Mr. Miller, I get in some trouble in 2006 when an incident happened in my house with 2 guys die. I didn't set it up, I wasn't a part of it, and that is what people is talking about because I speak my side of the story, which is the truth, which allow me to walk free from that double homicide in 2006. So when I get in trouble in 2012, they were investigating me from 2010. They didn't have no evidence, but you don't know how the US stay. You have a thing named conspiracy, meaning you know somebody and then you and them do a transaction, you can get caught up. Someone told on me. I don't hear nobody talking about who tell and Flippa, or Flippa get locked up.
That doesn't mean, Flippa, you're not guilty as charged, does it?
I did accept my guilty plea and I did my time. You understand? So I just want to rehabilitate and just do what I have to do and try to teach the young youth them to make them don't make the same mistake what I make.
I'm thinking for a change.
True or not, Flippa says he has no regrets about doing time since it's made him a better person.
How you kept safe in prison?
Oh, I kept safe in prison because guess what? Me I want real youth and I was around a lot of Jamaican too and them know and them hear my side and I have paperwork to prove. So I can show my paperwork, say, yo, this is what happened and that is what happened. I was the top of the food chain. It's me them want, nobody else. And me have the name, and me have the fame. So prosecutor and police officers get promotion after take on somebody like me. So there was nobody to tell on. Even if there was somebody bigger than me, they wasn't interested. They was only interested in me.
Any close encounters with danger in prison?
No, I wouldn't say like with inmate per se, but there was a point when I just went down, I get locked up, I went to Southwood State Prison where me and some police officers get in problem and they beat me up and all of that and I had to get transport, I had to file a lawsuit, I win that case, I sue them, get my charge dismissed. That's also one of the reasons why I could be able to come out and parole early.
All these sleepless nights, but my prayers never go in vain.
Flippa, why you got mixed up in drug trafficking in the first place?
Me say, my vehicle can't dear than me house. Now,
When me then a Jamaican I grew up in my community, even though we have the biggest recording studio, we not get no recognition. Nobody now come help me. Me did have to do what me have to do. I'ma do it, I'm gonna regret it. Could I make changes and make other different steps? Yes. So I did what I had to do and I transformed to music and doing what I have to do. You understand me? So when I turn over things to other people, them can't manage for them own. So guess what them do? Them turn and try to take me down. And that's part of life. Okay, good, cool. But I know the conscience. I know my clean heart set me free. Because I know I never tear down nobody to reach somewhere or bring down nobody to reach anywhere. That's why I couldn't say I myself no boy and I me. Because I'm me go do what me do. Earn my money, spend my money for myself, boss myself, else you wouldn't know me. You wouldn't know who Flippa is if Flippa never go sell drugs and have money and spend and donate back to communities and do all type of things. But me different now, me I try to live the right way now because now me have the recognition and the publicity when me need for can do whatever me want to do because skies is the limit.
and a ting-a-ling-a-ling and a kind me a fling when them see the duffel bag, them know money me a swing.
Did you lose everything when you went to prison? You lost everything? You lost all the the bling, all the cars, the property, you lost everything?
Mr. Miller, look here. This is the signature chain. It was just tall. I just cut it make it get smaller. I still keep my bling. You see this? Everybody know it. Look on it. Them are the signature. Them not change. I keep my jewelry. Them. Yes, I sell a few stuff and all of that because guess what? I wouldn't give away everything for my freedom. I am okay. I can maintain. As long as I can pay my bills, I'm all right. I'm not for beg nobody. I don't care.
So you had a nest egg put away?
Well, listen, I had titles. Just like when I say foundation over hype. So guess what? Just like when I say, even if I broke, I can sell back one. So I can sell and rebuild. Right now, you see, I have a family restaurant, my sister restaurant. I work honest living with my sister, with my family, trying to open other branches and do other things to be successful and still a focus on my music career same way. But guess what? Enough people don't want to give me like me not pay no dues. So guess what? I'm going to take mine and do what I have to do and put myself back on the world scene, make the people them know, say, Flippa, do this. I'm not have to do what me used to do before, but I make the people them know who me is and what me represent and what me stand for.
More Flippa Mafia next Friday.
We are the man. We not take program.